This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel, double check your notifications on. Guys, XRP is the present and the future of global finance, and the price that we're seeing right now is not the true value of XRP. Okay, it is not the true value of XRP. What they're doing to XRP today is absolutely outrageous. But me personally, it does not bother me one bit. It just gives me an opportunity to add to my XRP position at these ridiculously low prices. Guys, do you think anybody is selling their XRP right now? You think retail investors are selling? You think entities that need XRP for their spot ETFs are selling? You think whales are selling? You think banks that's going to need it for tokenization of real world assets or sending money cross-border, you think they are selling their XRP? Look at the demand for XRP all around the globe. Every single day, we're seeing more and more demand for XRP. Wall Street is coming out with more and more financial products that are attached to XRP. We're seeing more and more countries change their rules to adopt XRP. Yet somehow, the supply is going down, the demand is going up, and the price is crashing. And they want us to believe that's natural. That is not natural in any market, in any industry. When the supply goes down and the demand goes up, the price is supposed to go up. But these bad actors, they want us out the XRP play. And there's some people who don't believe that. They believe that they don't care if we get rich or not. I call nonsense on that. Because these guys are the richest people on the planet, yet they manipulate the stock market to rob and steal from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. They double and triple down on counterfeit shares in the AMC and GME to make sure it doesn't run. Why? Because they don't want to pay us. They don't want us to be financially independent. And I believe, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, that XRP has the potential to make a lot of hardworking Americans and hardworking people all around the globe financially independent, and that scares the 1%ers. Because without having those jobs over our heads, they lose control. They lose control. Bottom line is this. They can keep pushing XRP down. I don't care. And the reason I don't care is because I know what I hold. I know what XRP is going to do. And I know that nothing they have done has changed the reason why I bought XRP. I bought XRP for the tokenization of real world assets. I bought XRP because I believe you're going to be able to send money overseas that settles in seconds, that's very secure, for pennies on the dollar. And this was before the XRP spot ETFs. And now you add the XRP spot ETFs into the play. You add Ripple Prime to the play. You add Evernorth to the play. You add Flare to the play. You add Vivo Power to the play. Guys, XRP has gotten more valuable fundamentally in the last 6 months. It is a lot more valuable than it was 6 months ago. It's just not being reflected in the price because the bad actors are manipulating it down. But for me, I believe they're doing me a favor because it gives me more time to keep loading up at these ridiculously low prices. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you guys think that XRP under $2 is from fundamentals or from manipulation by bad actors. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.